guys, it's Freedom Runner from the Lucky Ladies. Let's have some fun today by catching some mini Pegasus. Oh no, I just received the notification saying I'm maxed out. Let's head over to Fairy. Hi Ilaria, what is my count? 100. I'm maxed out. If I don't turn in, I could potentially lose 300 points. So I will use the option to turn in. I will receive 300 points because it is not a double CP day. However, I will be saving the remaining 4 batches for double CP quest day, where I will receive 600 points per batch. Now that we've turned in, guys, let's go get those mini pegs. We will need to catch 20 for today's batch. Okay guys, this rock right here is a local hotspot for finding pegs. If you find yourself having a hard time finding mini pegs, it is a good place to come and sit and wait. All right, 14 down, 6 more to go. I know it can be a little daunting, guys, searching for these mini pegs, but for the amount of CP, it is well worth it. Back to the old trusty hunting rock. Oh, look at my little kittens. Aren't they adorable? I just love them. Back to our rock to sit and wait. There it is. Like I said earlier, guys, this is a great place to sit and watch and wait for your Pegasus. There it is, guys. Just one left. We are all done. Now let's head back to Ilaria to check and make sure that we have all of our Pegasus. Yes, 100. We are maxed out again. I will be saving these, and hopefully tomorrow will be double CP Quest Day. If not, I will turn in another batch as not to waste 300 CP. I hope this has helped you guys understand exactly how to turn in your Pegasus so that you don't waste any CP. Thank you for watching.